Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this faux fireplace using boxes from Walmart, paper from Dollar Tree, and other items from Dollar Tree. So stay tuned. So you're going to need a glue gun, some glue sticks, some packing tape, and you're also going to get this paper from the Dollar Tree. I got 3 rolls, but I only used 2.5. And this was on the aisle with the foam boards. And I'm going to use 8 of these boxes from Walmart. They are the 12 by 8 by 10. And I believe these were 63 cents each. And I got 8 of them. So right now I'm going to combine the boxes together. Initially I left them untaped, but you'll see later on in the video that I'm going to end up taping the top and the bottom down. So as you see here, I'm going to be taping the top of the box down, and then I'm going to flip it over and tape the bottom of the box down. And I did this so it won't be too high. So now I'm just going to build the other column for the right side, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps. So now I'm just going to take the remaining 2 boxes, I'm going to tape them down, and then I'm going to put the wrapping paper over all the boxes. gonna glue both sides together. You're probably gonna need some help once you combine the two sides together. I'm going to be adding some more of the packing tape for extra reinforcement, but the hot glue gun should do the trick by itself. The final product of my faux fireplace. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you have any questions or if you like the tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video.